Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ranaprava Barman, and in today's video I am going to show you how to crochet these beautiful roses. For this we will need yarns. Here I am using yellow and green one, a crochet hook 4.5 mm, a cutter to cut the yarns, a metal stick, and lastly a hot glue stick. I can't find my hot glue gun, so I'm going to use candles to use it. Let's get started. To start with, we have to do a slip knot. Here I'm showing you how to do it. Now attach the slip knot onto your crochet hook. Now pull the short end. It will tighten the slip knot. Now let's start doing chains. We need 48 chains. For the chain, I am yarning over and pull through the slip knot. And that is here our first chain. Keep doing this until we get a total 48 chains. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through, and here is our last chain. So these are our 48 chains that we are going to use to create the petals. Now we are going to add one more chain. And now let's go to the next step. Now I am going to work on the second chain. Just count like this: 1 and 2. Yarn over, second stitch from the hook. Into the top part of the stitch here, we are going to insert the hook. Yarn over, pulling through the first loop on the hook. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, and I am going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. This is called the half double crochet. Now we are going to do half double crochet in each stitch all the way down. I'm showing you again how to do it. Going to the next stitch, top of the stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Again yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Here is our another half double crochet. Showing you again, yarn over, insert the hook to the top of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now keep doing this all the way down for total 48 half double crochet. Always remember to insert the hook on the top of the stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook on the top of the stitch that is next to the last stitch you have worked on. Now again yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Here we go. These are my last 2 chains that I'm going through. Pulling the loose end here to kind of tighten the last stitch. And we are done with this row. Perfect. Now do 2 more chains. Now flip it like so. And now we are going to start with the second row. Now I am going to yarn over and insert the hoop into the last stitch. I am yarning over again and pulling through. Since we are doing a double crochet, I'm just gonna yarn over and pulling through the first 2 loops so that I have 2 loops left on my hook now. Now I'm gonna yarn over and pull through to the last 2 loops here. And that's how you do double crochet. Now we are gonna back to the same stitch here where we did the first double crochet. Yarn over again, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now yarn over again, pull through with the first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through to the last 2 loops here. And here is your second double crochet. You need 1 more double crochet here, so yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through to the first 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull through to the last 2 loops. Now we have 3 double crochet in 1 stitch. For the next part, we are gonna skip the second stitch here and start working with the third stitch. We are going to do 3 double crochet in that third stitch here. For the entire row, we are gonna do 3 double crochet in each stitch, but we are gonna skip a stitch and go to the next one. Here is the 3 double crochet in single stitch. Now skip the second stitch and go to the next stitch and do 3 double crochet again. Yarn over, insert the hook to the top of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through to the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through to the last 2 loops here. Continue this till the end. Skip the next stitch and again yarn over, insert the hoop into the top of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through to the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through to the last 2 loops. Don't forget to insert the hook to the entire top part of the stitch. Now continue with this. I will see you in the end of this part. Almost done. I'm gonna do my last 3 double crochet here. We are done with our second row. Now for the third row, again we have to do 2 chains. Chain 1 and chain 2, and just like before we are going to flip our work like so to continue with our third row. To start with, yarn over and insert the hook to the first stitch here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through to the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through to the last 2 loops, and here we done with double crochet, 1 double crochet. Now go to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through to the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through to the last 2 loops, and do the double crochet again to the same stitch here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through to the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through to the last 2 loops. So here we have done with our 2 double crochet in a single stitch. Now go to the next stitch and do 1 more double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through to the first 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through to the last 2 loops. Now I am going to do a chain stitch here. Now we are going to the next stitch here. Going to do a slip stitch to close the first part of this pattern. I am going into the stitch here, yarning over, pulling through. Now we are going to continue pulling the hook on the loop. You can see we have this part which is look kind of like a seashell. Now start with the chain stitch here. We are gonna do the exact same pattern to the entire row here. To the next stitch we are gonna do a double crochet. I'm gonna go to the next stitch here and I'm gonna do 2 double crochet here. That's 1 double crochet, and now going to do another double crochet into the same stitch here, and here is our second double crochet. Next I'm gonna go to the next stitch here and going to do a double crochet, and finally to finish up this petal I'm chaining 1, going into the next stitch, doing a slip stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, continue pulling through. Continue with the same pattern all over the row, and I will see you at the end. almost done with all my petals here. I am going to show you one last time. Chain 1, yarn over, into the next stitch 1 double crochet, into the next stitch 2 double crochet on a single stitch, into the next stitch 1 single double crochet. Now chain 1, going into the last stitch here and doing a slip stitch to finish it off. We are done with all of our rose petals. Now I am going to cut the yarn here like this. And make a double knot like so. We are done with this part. In the next part, we are going to learn how to make rosebud and stem and how to assemble them together. For that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you get notified. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment below. And don't forget to check the description box below. I will put the link of the second part of this video there. And see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and spread love. Bye. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and I need love.